Hi everyone, this is going to be a short video to show you that there is now finally support for the Raspberry Pi Pico inside the Arduino IDE. Unfortunately, this support is not official Arduino support. I would expect official Arduino support to be out with the Arduino Nano RP2040 Connect. But anyway, GitHub user Earle Philhower, I think I've said that right, has developed his own Arduino core port for the Raspberry Pi Pico. And this will avoid the horrible toolchain setup that we had to do to use VSCode. So to get started, we need to open the Arduino IDE. If you don't have this installed, it's very straightforward to just download it from the Arduino website. Inside the Arduino IDE, go to File, then Preferences. In the Additional Board Manager URL field, add the following link, which is available in the description. Then press OK. Now, in the Tools menu, select the Board Manager, and then search for Pico. Add the Raspberry Pi Pico by pressing the Add or Install button. This process might take a few minutes. Select the Pico from the Tools, then Boards menu. The ports option may be grayed out. This is okay. And now the first time you plug in your Pico, you must press down the boot select button like we're used to, and then upload your first sketch. So in this case, I've got a basic demo blink LED sketch, and I'm plugging in the Pico with the boot select button pressed down. Then I'm programming the Pico using the upload button. The Pico folder might open as a storage device. This is okay. Just leave it be. And at the end of uploading, it will close down. As you can see, the LED is now blinking. After you've uploaded your first sketch, you shouldn't have to press the boot select button. Instead, just plug the Pico in, and you'll have to select the correct COM port from the Tools, Port, and then Serial Port menu. And now you can upload all you like. If you do experience some problems when uploading, sometimes it can be fixed by pressing the boot select button when connecting the Pico and re-uploading the sketch that you want to program. As expected, we can use a serial monitor as normal. For example, here I have a Hello World sketch which has been uploaded to the Pico. We can go to Tools, then Serial Monitor, or use the Ctrl-Shift-M keyboard shortcut, then select the COM port your Pico is connected to. We can see the output we expect just here. As a disclaimer, this is all pretty new and unofficial support, so there may be some issues or certain support for libraries won't be 100% functional yet. It'll be interesting to see how official support from Arduino can build on this. Also, do let me know which libraries you test and try out yourselves. I'd be interested to see which ones are working. Hopefully, this video has helped some of you who were struggling with the C or C++ toolchain setup. If this video has helped you, then please leave a like and do consider subscribing. Thank you, and have a nice day.